Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start on the Roku home screen, press the home button on your remote and navigate to settings. Once there, open accessibility. This is where spoken audio features live. Make sure you know your Roku model and whether you have a voice remote, because menu labels can differ. This first step locates the narrator or audio guide control so you can change it. Once found, you'll be ready to toggle the speaking feature off. Don't skip verifying you're in accessibility. Now you locate the specific control. It may be labeled Audio Guide, Screen Reader, or Narrator depending on your Roku. Select the option, then choose Off or Disable. You'll often see a confirmation prompt, so accept it. Why this works: turning it off stops real-time text-to-speech and navigational prompts. Once disabled, navigate back to the home screen to test. If audio still speaks in an app, close and reopen that channel, because some apps cache accessibility settings until restarted. Finish by testing multiple screens, home, a channel, and playback to ensure speaking is fully off. If you still hear audio, restart the Roku. Settings system restart. This often clears residual speech. Make sure your Roku OS is up to date, because older firmware can mishandle accessibility toggles. If problems continue, toggle the accessibility setting on then off again, and as a last resort, reset accessibility settings to defaults. This forces the device to reapply the correct behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.